This ERA Parrish Realty Legacy Group property video is presented by gene.Marshburn. Showings begin 9 to 10. Beautiful RANCH-No HOA or city taxes. Quiet setting overlooking neighboring pond. Amazing view from kitchen, den and master open floor plan west/fireplace, fresh paint and hardwood floors in kitchen, den, dining, hall and 1 bedroom. Mudroom west/laundry and pantry.Upstairs bonus/office and walk-in attic. HVAC needed for comfortable summer/winter use. Walk-in attic can be used for expansion.Sunrise west/coffee on rocking chair porch and sunset west/wine on pondside back patio. 8029 and 8021 Lockleair Road. Available for more information, review the